Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to get free exhibition passes fast in Heartopia. So usually exhibition pass can be obtained by spending hard diamonds on here like this, but they can also appear as rewards from different limited events. Usually this exhibition pass can be used to get or to gacha some event banners in here, like for example in here you can use it to gacha in this jungle fairy banner like this, or you can also use it to gacha at the Heartbond Vow banner. And then to get it, for example, like in previous event, there were three ways to get them for free. Like you can get it from the Vision Wave catalog like this, and then send you a fan like this. And you can also get it from the half anniversary event. This one. Just tap on discovery and then tap on thank you gift, and then in here you can get until 120 exhibition pass, and then just tap on claim rewards to claim this exhibition pass. And however, for the Sanrio and Fashion Wave catalog have already ended, so currently the half anniversary event is the main options that's still available to get this free exhibition pass. But the good news is that exhibition pass can potentially return as rewards in future events, so make sure to check the event rewards list whenever new event arrive. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you.